Hey, how you doing, boys and girls? And welcome back. I decided to do a quick video on how to exchange headlight, and I'm doing it as I'm learning. So if you do have any other suggestions for other people, you're more than welcome to contribute. But we're talking about TVR Tasmin 280i or Wedge series, and I am talking about the pop-up lights. So first things you do, turn on the light, pop them up. If you are just as lazy as me, you don't disconnect anything, you do it live. But ideally you pull the fuse or disconnect the battery to kill the electrical and let the pop-up lights to be in up position. Next thing you will do is take a regular screwdriver and unscrew 2 bolts on the outer ring of the light. Right, so these 2, take it off. Underneath you will find an inner ring with 3 bolts, and you can see it right here. 1, 2, 3. Again, regular Phillips screwdriver. Take it out together with the lens. Disconnect the bulb. It is in fact an H4 or 9003 bulb. Originally it had candlelight 4048. I think you can see it right here, and I am replacing it with an LED light. All right, so I did have to cut out the center piece of the rubber seal, push that LED through, and let's plug this in, see how it comes out. All right, so this is the outcome. It is a dual color LED, and to me it does look dimmer than the original stock one. I will drive for a few days and see how it will turn out. This is yellow 3000 Kelvin degrees color on the low beam, and super bright white 6000 Kelvin on a high beam. And on the high beam it does look better, crispier than the original one. I don't know if you can spot the difference. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, feel free. I'll drive that for a few days when I get a chance to see if they produce enough light. Have a good evening, everyone.